Welcome back everyone, it's your boy William back for another video. This time we're gonna be replacing the LCD screen on this XR. So the back will stay the same, we're only doing the LCD screen today. We'll be replacing it with this brand new XR LCD. So first things, we remove the two pentalop screws using the pentalop screwdriver. You can find these tools on Amazon. Just search for XR tools and it's pretty cheap. Next, you just start lifting the corners with the razor blades. I find this is better, it's faster, and when you use the suction cup, I don't like to use that method because I find it more time consuming. This is faster. After this, just start unscrewing the metal plate that's holding the digitizer. Has only 2 screws. Save the screws next to the plate so you don't lose them. Next, you start taking out the screws holding the ear speaker. Next, you just unplug the connectors. You can use a plastic tool, or as I sometimes do, just use your nails. Use a plastic tool or your nails. Just don't use like a metal screwdriver because it might damage something. That's just some leftover glue from the original seal. So try to clean it, the excess left. Next, we just remove the plate holding the battery. So this is the original screen. We're gonna transfer the serial number from the original screen to the new screen. Now, this step is not necessary. I like to do it because when you transfer the serial number from the old to the new, everything works perfect on the new LCD, including the true tone. Many stores don't do it, but this will ensure that your new screen is working 100% as an official LCD from Apple. Now we connect the new screen and it's gonna transfer the serial number. It's gonna write it on the new screen. Okay, after it has successfully written the new serial number onto the new screen, so we can just transfer the ear speaker from the old to the new screen. Just remove the screws. It's only 4 of them. With a flat screwdriver, you can start lifting the plastic holding the whole piece together. Just start left and right until it loosens. This little bracket, we're gonna replace it onto the new one. This is a premium LCD screen. It's not original from the Apple Store, but it's a high quality, the highest quality there is in the aftermarket. We remove the grill. Now we can put the whole piece that we just took from the old one. This one has to be, we have to use the whole thing from the old XR because this has your front facing camera, which has face recognition, and it has to be removed from the old to the new so everything works. This last screw we don't need to put because the frame already has it. So start connecting all the connectors back. So first we put the plate holding the battery. Since I'm using gloves, it makes it a little bit harder to feel the connectors, but I could still do it. We're almost done. So we close it and we turn it on. While it turns on, we're gonna put the last 2 screws on the bottom that holds the display to the frame. And that about completes the whole process. As you see, the display seems to be working in perfect condition. We have to wait a minute until the phone gives us an option to put the password. But since I don't know it, we're just gonna wait until the customer comes. So for this, we charge $130. And that wraps up the video, guys. Thanks for your viewing. Like and subscribe.